Peace and love, African family. Peace, love, and sunlight. This is Ankeru from Jam Tours Africa versus VeganChoiceFoods.com family. So it's early in the morning, family. I just wake up. We have to head out to the hospital. Amesh just wake up. My wife is pregnant, about to give birth. As you know, as a Jamaican, I have to be in the kitchen. And Jamaicans, we like the kitchen as a man. Every now and then we'll be cooking up a storm in the kitchen, family. So I'm just going to share with you guys what I do every morning. The kettle is boiling, the water is boiling hot. I'm going to tell you what I'm doing, family, for me and for Amesh and for Miss Jam Tours family. So I have some coconut milk there boiling right there. I have some amaranth. That's the amaranth porridge family. With terere. Terere is actually greens. This is amaranth. This is so nutritious, family. As you know, amaranth is so nutritious for the kids. So many iron and minerals in this family. And as you know, guys, the body is made up of minerals, family. So I just want to show that to you while I go to have some. This is a mineral salt, family. If you're not taking this in the morning, I don't know what you're taking. Everybody need that iodine, everybody need those 82 minerals, just like the sea moss. But this is the mineral salt. Have a cucumber water, just put it to soak, family, right there. You're not drinking cucumber water. If you're not using pink salt, I don't know what kind of salt you've been using. You're using white processed salt, family. So this is the crystal, natural salt crystal. You can get the Celtic salt on VeganChoiceFoods.com. That's very good. As I can see, family, what it says, supply the body with natural energy, restore the body natural frequency pattern, balance acid and alkaline imbalance, weakens addiction, and improves skin condition, help clearance of intestine, guys. A lot of person have intestine problem. Brushing the teeth with salt strengthen gums and willing teeth. The bind solution to be used for eye nausea and infection and for inhalation, family. So as you can see, guys, this has as you can see, it says it has 84 life-giving minerals that will enhance your entire well-being. Sodium chloride, iodine, among others. It's like a whole food, like fruits, vegetable gains water, and has no side effect, family. As you can see, family, so you make it. I normally put mine in step 1, put it in water, allow it to settle, and you can drink it. I just put a little bit. I have my key lime here, family. Every morning I'll drink the key lime, so I'll just add a little to the key lime, stir it around, and that would be my tea, family. So, you know what I mean? So I'm just gonna share this with you guys. This thing is boiling now. I have to blend out my thing. Tell Miss Jam Tours, she have Amesh right here, so I want to put this inside, family. Put it inside, family. Oh, I need a spoon, sweetie. Come quick, Miss Jam Tours. Come quick, this porridge I got lump up. Miss Jam Tours. Alright, let me just stir this, family, because it's me alone holding the camera. Miss Jam Tours just come help me out. She's gonna stir it. Amesh, come. Amesh is right there. Miss Jam Tours come.
Nobody spoil like this. And I wanted to tell you.
It won't spoil, sweetie.
Beat cannot work.
Just keep on stir it. Miss Jam Tours said I got spoil, but I'm glad to keep on stir it. So why it spoil?
I normally return it to the blender and blend it together. So that
well, you can do it like I return it now and blend it up. Seeing that Miss Jam Tours is the chef. Miss Jam Tours have to come and help Mr. Jam Tours in the kitchen.
Is it already started?
Yeah, but I think that's a good idea to actually. You feel it will be thick enough?
Not sure. But it will because it doesn't boil.
Alright, so Amesh. Yes, this is what it looks like, family. Thick and rich. When I allow this to boil for like maybe 20 to 25 minutes, and then we'll get some porridge. Well, I did put a lot of the flour inside. Amesh, what is he doing there? Okay, family. So I have a pumpkin here, family. And how we do this, we're gonna cut this. Miss Jam Toes, all this family, we cut this pumpkin. Yeah, we're just watching this a little short for you, all this family. I want to cut this pumpkin, family. I wonder if I can cut it. Let me cut it. Cut! Alright, let's do this. Yeah, just press it back, okay? It's plain. Yeah, family, so I want to cut this pumpkin. Normally we buy this pumpkin at the market. This pumpkin is going to be tough. Rough and tough. I want to cut this pumpkin, family. Wow, this is what it looks like inside. How it look? Yeah.
Not bad, it's nice.
So we're gonna boil it. See, so normally I normally give this pumpkin to Amish family, and I will take the seed, boil it, blend it up, and make a nice tea. Eh?
I'm feeling tired.
You're feeling tired. Miss Jam Toes feeling tired, family, so she got to go. As you know, she's heavily pregnant, and Amesh is right here. Amesh. Amesh. Yes. My Mr. Good morning. Mr. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning to you. And how do you do? Good morning to you. Baby Amesh, the son of Africa. Mr. Africa. Mr. Africa. You're gonna change him now? Alright, go and make mommy change you. And you come back. Come back. Mr. Come back. Mr. Come back. Mr. Come back. Yeah, family. So let me actually, as I said, what I do with this pumpkin, family, I normally actually, you know, pick the seed, boil it, blend it up, make a nice tea. I would add some stinging nettle, and sometimes I would add olive oil, and I pack it up with cayenne pepper, family. Pack it up with cayenne pepper. It's so nice, it's so delicious. I wish I did have like a, you know, like a men health shop, so I could serve this to all the men for the prostate, family. This is good for the prostate, the pumpkin seed. So family, the porridge is here, and I need to stir it up. You know, let me add some fire. Let me add some earth, wind, and fire, family. Earth, wind, and fire. Let me add some fire to it. Fire that a must steal them think a cool breeze. Them think a cool breeze, family. Fire that a must steal them think a cool breeze. Alright, family, so what I'm gonna do right here now, I'll have to add some warm water to my morning tea. This is what I drink every morning for tea. Key lime, you want to get the key lime in your body, family. I will put the salt in it like that, and then you stir it up like this. You cannot taste it. You don't want to have too much salt in it, you just want to stir it around and make the salt melt out in it. Once you start to taste the salt, that's when you will actually remove it. Once you start to taste the salt, that's when you remove it, family. Alright, so I taste the salt and I remove it, and let's put it back for tomorrow in the morning. I'll use it again. Mineral salt, the real salt. Cayenne pepper, family. This is the cayenne pepper I'll put in the pumpkin and blend it up. And I'll get my nice tea. I'll actually show you how I make it, family, in this vlog. So let's continue. Let's go. I'm going to pick out this pumpkin seed and cut up this pumpkin with the boil for Amesh. Show you how I make the food for him and stuff. Let's do this. Let's go. Hey family, so as you can see, the smoothie is ready. I have papaya, mango, banana, and some dates. And family, I'm gonna add some baobab fruit powder, pumpkin finish, pumpkin seed I boil up with the cayenne pepper and stinging nettle. Family has some baobab, rich in so much minerals, family. Vitamin C, zinc, magnesium, calcium. In this family, potassium, rich in the minerals. The body is made up of minerals, family, not vitamins, minerals. Yeah, family, so I'm gonna add some baobab. You can get some baobab powder from veganchoicefoods.com. You You can get baobab powder there, family. Baobab. Add some baobab, add water, and blend. Then you blend. How thick it is. Add a little bit more water. Add a little bit more water. And then blend. And then blend. Yeah, fans, Amish pumpkin ready. I'm just gonna blend it up with some olive oil with some salt, and that will be his food, family. Pumpkin seed. Just gonna turn this off and then blend. All right, let's throw out this smoothie for Miss Jam Tours. Wow, nice. Super nice. Smoothie in the morning, always fruits first, never last. Vegan choice foods approve and endorse this message. See you, family. So everything is done. I'm gonna blend the pumpkin seed, and I'm gonna blend up the pumpkin for Amish. So let's do that in a few. Hey, family. So I have the pumpkin and the fire, family. The pumpkin is on the fire. The pumpkin for Amish is cooking, and the porridge is here. As you can see, Amish porridge is there. And now I'm just drinking my mineral salt with key lime. Wow. So nice. You should try. Alright, family, let me allow this to cook and I'll come back. I'm gonna make a smoothie right now. You want a smoothie, right? I'm gonna make a smoothie. Yeah, family, it's for the pumpkin seed. That's like I had nettle, some nettle leaf powder. I had nettle leaf powder, and I had my cayenne pepper. A lot of cayenne pepper. And I'll just allow it to boil and then blend. So let's wait, family. Wait for this. And if you're at home and you can try this, try it as a man, family. It's good for you. Try it. The tea is so nice. Let's go. Yeah, family. So I'm about to blend the pumpkin seed up with the stinging nettle. I'm going to add some pink salt. Add a little pink salt. And then I'm going to add a little olive oil. I have macadamia oil. Yeah, guys, let me go with the macadamia oil, because the olive oil is for Amish. I'm going to add some macadamia oil, guys. And if you know macadamia oil is the real oil, it has omega-7 and a lot of essential fatty acid is in this. So I'm going to add it to this. I'll just add a little and blend. Yeah, family. So you see, we're blending. There's money you have to be spending, and we're blending. And then what I'm gonna strain, family. I'm gonna blend it out some more, and then I strain. Yeah, family. Let's strain. Let's strain. Let's strain on the terrain. Let's strain. Yeah, family. This is what it looks like, family. Hot and spicy. As you know, guys, cayenne pepper is very good. Actually, you know what I mean, to actually thin the blood, family, and stuff. Cayenne pepper, research it. Anything you see Jam Tours and Vegan Choice Food is doing, family, research it. Don't take it from me. Research it for yourself. And if you have any health issues, family, you can go ahead, guys, and you know what I mean, check out Vegan Choice Foods. All disease start within the gut, family. The gut. You have to cleanse the gut, you have to detox, you have to remove all the sugar and food cravings. that takes like 14 to 21 days while just eating herbs, juice, smoothie, and a plant-based diet. Then you convert your taste bud to a plant-based lifestyle. And then family, you won't feel for this sugary and all of this bad stuff anymore. Now, while most people can't stop these bad habits, it's because of addiction, and you know, foods are processed so much with so much processed sugar. It's like cocaine. You're addicted to it, family. Yeah, guys. So you know what I mean. This is a nice tea. It looks like, family, just like. What I'm gonna do, guys, I'm just gonna strain this out, have it as tea. Like, share, and comment. Let me know if you enjoyed this video. Let me know if you learned something new from this video. And let me know if you stop chewing away your pumpkin seed and you start to actually parch. You can parch it like nuts. You can eat it, or you can actually boil it and blend it up like this, right? So this is Ankeru from Jam Tours Africa via Vegan Choice Foods. I'm out. One love. God bless. More health, more life, more prosperity. I'm out. Yeah, family. So this is the pumpkin seed tea. It's hot. It's nice. Wow. It's so nice, family. If you haven't tried this, Vegan Choice Food signature recipe, men health, prostate, you know what I mean, is the sexual function of men. You gotta keep the prostate small. And to keep your prostate small, family, you have to be exercising, you have to be eating the right food, family, to keep your prostate small, but it's always growing, family. The older you get, the bigger your prostate will get, and you have to be exercising and doing like the Kegels while you have the, you know, the right foods to keep your prostate healthy and active, so you don't have the prostate cancer, family. Wow. So nice. Like, share, and comment, family, and let me know your thoughts on this video. I'm out. One love. God bless. Jamaica. I'm out.